Students, in this practical, we have to study this slotted section, probe carriage, and we have to measure the VSWR. Okay, so this is a slotted section, this is a main scale, and this is a vernier scale. So connection diagram for this experiment is that again there is a Keystone power supply we are using as front panel is shown. Then connection of 8-pin socket goes to the reflex keystone, then goes to the isolator, provides that frequency stability, then variable attenuator, frequency meter, and this is a slotted section. And this is a tunable probe, and this tunable probe output we have taken and which is given directly to the VSWR meter. Okay, this is a VSWR meter. We have to measure the VSWR. This is a normal. We have to keep this knob on normal position. Then range is mentioned here. Range, that is a 40 dB, 30 dB. We have kept here at a 40 dB. The chorus button for adjustment is there, and for gain control knob is there. Okay, now we will start the experiment of this VSWR measurement. We will start experiment. So first, this experiment is divided into 3 steps. That is, we have to measure VSWR for open termination. That is, this port will be we have to make it open. That is, and next is we have to connect this match termination. Okay, and next we have to connect short termination. Okay, so we will start. We will first take the reading for open termination. So adjust here. We are adjusting both here chorus by chorus. Keep this ESWR at 1. We are keeping this at 1. Okay, then next we have to carry this vary the vernier scale on left hand side. So vary the vernier scale and observe the pointer. So vary the vernier scale on left hand side. This yellow pointer goes on decreasing and coming. Okay, decreasing, increasing, and again it will come back at some point. Okay, so from this point it is coming back. So VSWR for open termination, we can say that it is a 1.1. so VSWR for open termination is a 1.1. Then for next, for short termination we will take. For short termination, consider this plate. We have to shorten this end. So I am shorting this end. So after shorting, again adjust the pointer. Again adjust the pointer at 1. So we have adjusted the pointer at 1, and again we will move 1 minute. I will adjust. Okay, 1 minute. And we have adjust. Okay, so we have adjusted the pointer at 1, and from this we will vary now this pointer. That is, we are varying this slotted section. So increasing, that pointer is increasing. Observe there. तो फॉर ओपन शॉर्ट टर्मिनेशन ऑब्जर्व हियर. फिर से हम लेंगे रीडिंग 1 मिनट. इसको पहले ऐसा एडजस्ट करो. 1 पे एडजस्ट कर देता हूँ. ये पॉइंटर पे ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंटर को करो. सो अभी 1 पे मैंने एडजस्ट किया है, समझो. सो ये 1 पे है. तो अभी वर्नियर स्केल जो है 1 मिनट. So pointer is at 1 position. Now I am varying on left hand side. So it is increasing. So from 3 से वो फिर से रिफ्लेक्ट होके जा रहा है. तो for short termination VSWR is a 3, we can say. Then for match termination, again connect this match termination here and observe the pointer here. Observe it will, we will adjust at it 1. So we have adjusted at 1 position. Okay, now 1 minute. Firstly 1 minute. Now we have adjusted pointer at 1. Now we have rotating this vernier scale and observe here. So both of the reading we have to observe. That is, we are varying the vernier scale. Now pointer will reflect back at some point. It will reflect back. ये देखो यहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट होके जा रहा है 1.2 से. So for match termination, observe here we have this on left hand side we have rotated this vernier scale, and here pointer is reflected back from 1.2. So VSWR for this match termination is a 1.2. Okay, so these are the readings for different ports. That is for open termination, then for short termination, and for match termination. So experiment is easy. First we have to adjust the SWR at 1 point. Okay, at 1 को आपको एडजस्ट करना है यहाँ पे. देन क्या करना है, ये जो वर्नियर स्केल है उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को लाना है. तो ऐसा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को लाने के बाद देखो ये पॉइंटर आगे जाएगा और फिर से रिफ्लेक्ट बैक होके बैक जाएगा. देखो इंक्रीज हो रहा है. ये देखो यहाँ से बैक जा रहा है. ठीक है, तो नियरर टू 1.2 वो रिफ्लेक्ट होके बैक जा रहा है. मीन्स VSWR इज अ 1.2 फॉर द ओपन टर्मिनेशन, देन फॉर शॉर्ट टर्मिनेशन. ओके, सेम प्रोसीजर एंड फॉर मैच टर्मिनेशन. ओके, so only procedure is that we have to vary this vernier scale on left hand side. This pointer will increase at some point at some level and again goes back to previous position, and we have to take that point reading and we will get the VSWR. Okay, so thanks, we have completed this VSWR measurement.